Okay, student. Welcome back to the accountancy class. We continue with our chapter 5 cash flow statement. And today we are going to study one more problematic thing while doing operating activity is the provision for tax and payment of tax calculation. Clear? Again, this is a very problematic. But I am giving you three cases over here from which you can very easily understand it. So we are going to study this thing. I will tell you the three cases for provision for tax and payment of the tax. And we will solve one example. Okay? So case 1. First of all, write case 1. If only opening and closing balances of provision for taxes given. If only opening and closing balances of provision for taxes given, what will you do in that circumstances? Clear? So it's very simple. You will be get two balances, opening or closing. Clear? Either it will be given as opening or closing balance, or it will be given as, consider the situation, March 20. So it will be given as March 19 or March 20. 31st March 19 or 31st March 20. This may also be given as whatever is situation. So for example, if opening balance is 15,000 and closing balance is 20,000. Now what will you do in that circumstances? Okay. So current year balance, this is provision for tax. Clear? Now accounting treatment, if only two balances are given, accounting treatment. So current year provision for tax, yeah. So if the opening and closing balances are given, so previous year figure will be taken as an amount of tax paid. Clear? And current year provision for tax is added back. Clear? So current year provision for tax is added back. Clear? Added back in while calculating net profit before tax. Clear? And previous year provision for tax is subtracted or deducted, as a last adjustment in your cash flow from operating activities in order to show, because after getting all adjustment what you will get is cash generated from operation, and from cash generated from operation you have to deduct the income tax paid in order to find out the amount of net cash flow from operating activities. Clear? Okay. Now case 2. I hope case 1 is clear to you. Now we are going to study the case 2. Okay. If opening and closing balances of provision for tax is given, if opening and closing balances of provision for tax is given, and provision for tax made is also given. Matlab, this means opening and closing balances of provision for tax is given as an additional information, and in profit and loss account one more provision for tax is also created. One more provision for tax is created in profit and loss account. Clear? Opening and closing balances are already given, and at the same time one more provision for tax is also given. In that case, what will you do? So in this situation, what we have to do is to prepare provision for tax account. Clear? So I am preparing provision for tax account. Okay, now see, I have prepared provision for tax account and we are going to solve example 29. So see the figures, what figure are given to us in example 29. Figure of provision for tax is given 2017 and 2016. Provision for tax is given. So what is the amount given? That is 10,000 and 15,000 is given. Clear? And at the same time in profit and loss account, one figure for provision for tax is also given. This is given as an additional information. Clear? And in profit and loss account also, one provision is given. Provision for tax is given 50,000. Clear? Now three figures we are having for provision for tax. Clear? So when three figure of provision for tax is given, we can easily find out the payment of the tax, because payment of the tax would be balancing figure. Clear? Now see, opening balance is given, closing balance is given, and one more additional provision is given in income and statement account. So what I told you in case 1, if only two figures are given, then current year is added back. So 2017 10,000 is added back in calculating net profit before tax, while previous year will be considered as a tax paid. So this you will subtract from cash generated from operation less income tax paid to get the net figure of cash generated from operations. Okay? So now we are having three provision and we are going to prepare provision for tax account to know the amount of tax paid. So first write opening figure by balance BD. Opening figure is 15,000. Okay, 15,000. Clear? Here write, and closing balance is to balance CD. Closing balance given to you is 10,000. Clear? And one more provision has been created, that has been given as additional information. So whenever you create a provision, you will write on the credit side by profit and loss account. How much provision you have created? 50,000. Okay. Here you can write statement as per statement of profit and loss account. Or already profit and loss account is already written. You can write provision for tax created. Clear? So make a total of this. Total coming is 65,000 on the credit side, but on the debit side we have only 10,000. So here you will write to bank account, and in bracket you will write tax paid. Clear? So 65 minus 10, 55,000 is the amount of tax paid. So total is 65,000. So in this way you will prepare provision for tax account in order to know the payment of tax. Clear? So this is our case 2. I am revising. In case 1, if only two figures, that is opening and closing balances of provision for tax is given. In that case, current year 10,000 means closing balance will be added back, and while calculating NPBT, while opening balance is considered as a tax paid and it is subtracted from cash generated from operation to know about the net cash flow from operating activity. Clear? Now case 2, when additional provision for tax is created, in this case we will prepare an account and we will find out the amount of payment of the tax, and that would be the balancing figure. Now we are going to study the case 3. Okay. Now we will study the case 3. So what we are going to study in the case 3? When opening and closing balance of provision for tax is given. When opening balance of provision for and closing balance of the tax is given, and the amount of tax paid is given as additional information. And the amount of tax paid is given as a additional information. What will you do in these circumstances? Now consider the same situation where opening and closing balance of provision for tax is given and amount of tax paid is given. And an additional information. For example, an additional information, tax paid rupees 50,000. In this situation, what will happen? When two balances of provision for tax is given and tax paid is given, then current year provision will be balancing figure. So how we will come to know? We will again come to know this thing by preparing provision for tax account. So I am again preparing provision for tax account to understand the case 3. Okay, now see again, I have prepared provision for tax account. Now how to deal with when the opening and closing balances are given and amount of tax paid is given. See, first write opening balance by balance PD. 15,000 is the opening balance. Amount of tax paid is given. So to bank account. Okay, bank account 50,000. To balance CD, closing balance is given. That is 10,000. Make a total, that is 60,000. And here by provision for tax. Clear? Now what this amount is? This is current year provision. This is current year provision and this is added back in your NPBT. Clear? In this way, you will calculate the amount of current year provision or sometimes the amount of tax paid. So always remember what will be the situation if these three things are given to you: opening balance of provision for tax, closing balance of provision for tax, and new provision is created profit, then amount of tax paid will be balancing figure. If these three things are given to you, opening balance, closing balance of provision for tax, amount of tax paid is given, then current year provision will be the balancing figure. In this way, you have to solve with this provision for tax and payment of tax. From my side, operating activity is completed. In the next class, we will study about the investing activities. Please do solve more and more numerical and let me know about your doubts. Thank you.